Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am tell you about a MS Excel problem. Cannot open file. Office cannot find nam.xlsx. How you can fix this trouble? Because I have faced this problem. So how you can fix the Microsoft Excel cannot open the file error because the format of the file extension is not valid. I have faced similar problem. So today I will tell you various ways that will help you to prevent from this problem. So this error message is encountered in the following scenarios. If the file is not compatible with the Excel version, and if you are trying to edit the file but that file is not compatible with the current version of your Excel, then this problem arises. And other reason that the file has become a corrupt or damaged. If your file got corrupted or damaged due to any reason, then this problem arises. So I copied and paste the file to my desktop, right click and change here extension .xlsx to .xls, and I got my file back. So try to open your corrupt file in safe mode. Press Window plus R and write excel.exe/save and click OK, and it will help you to fix the problem. So in this way you can also fix this problem. So I hope you got valuable information, and I have faced similar problem, and this trick helps me to fix this problem. Hope you also try this way. And if you want to know any further information, you can simply tell us in the comment section of the video. Thank you viewers, that's it for today's video.